All right, good morning, guys. Good morning. We have gotten the dump like we were expecting on Bitcoin. This is about what we expected so far. Let's go ahead and dive in, give a quick update on what's going on. So Bitcoin dominance is the first we're looking at. So we have pushed up in this daily breaker, but it is a daily breaker. And as of right now, we are rejecting off of it, which is good. I want to see a rejection off here because I want to see continued downside on the Bitcoin dominance chart, which is good for our altcoins. So that's what I want to see. So far this looks good. Let's go ahead and check out the total too, see how we're doing. So far we're holding this level. Yeah, so far we're holding the level. If the downside's done, this looks very healthy. Let's see if we have a 4-hour maybe breaker we hit. No, not really. So, well, a little consolidation. We do have this consolidation cluster right here. That may have been what we actually bounced off of. The point is like as long as we close the daily inside or above this level, then that looks really healthy. Let's go to some of our majors. US. Let's go to Bitcoin. As you guys see, this is the channel. We lost it, and now we're down here. So you guys can see this is a 4-hour breaker that this price rejected off of. Furthermore, if you go to the daily, this was the 200 moving average. Chad was saying in Facebook how important the 200 moving average is. Like he was crazy. It's amazing how much how important this level is. And yeah, like you guys can see this level is extremely important. And until we get back above there, you have to use caution in the market. It is that serious. It honestly is. So until we do, you must remain cautious on Bitcoin. Now, let's see. Anything on here I really want to talk about? I think realistically, this looks about where I would expect some sort of a rejection of some sort. Let's see on the hourly. Yeah, this is what we're looking at. So let's see if I can get it on here. All right, cool. This right here, this level, this consolidation cluster is what we're currently bouncing off of on the hourly. And that's a level a lot of people are targeting just because it is a solid consolidation cluster. Even though this doesn't really appear on the 4-hour like we normally use, this is a solid cluster and we have bounced off it for now. Now, confirmation we're done won't be until we get at least back into this channel. And then confirmation the entire dip is done is getting above the 200 moving average. That is still my confirmation, guys, and that's not going to change anytime soon. So let's see, what else? I do want to talk about something else on here. Let's go to the Bitcoin pairing. All right. On the weekly, this is our major weekly levels. And we're either going to close above here or revisit this low and sweep it. And if we do lose it, we're going all the way down into the $24,000 region. I think that's very realistic at this time. So we need to get a weekly close above here or we are going to see a lot more further downside. So this Sunday is a very important time frame. So we have 2 days and 2 days and 12 hours to make some serious progress, or this dip is going to keep on dipping, and that will be very concerning. So what else? Some of our majors, I did get filled on my EOS position last night. I talked about this on, I think, all the platforms. So if you're watching this, you probably were able to see this. This was the area I have my spots in. I left them open overnight because I really expect this to get filled. It did dip a little further than I was expecting. However, I'm actually on profit on most of my positions right now, which is really good. EOS looks extremely good on the BTC pairing, which is why I like it. And this is a daily breaker, and we close the daily for the first time above this breaker. So this should act as a major support. So the US dollar pairing looks good. The BTC pairing looks good. Overall, EOS looks really, really good. Let's see, other ones I want to look at. I mean, realistically, guys, the rest of the market is going to follow what's happening here. We can go to the 4-hour. I think it's a 4-hour level, right? Yes, it is. So the last candle closed below the 4-hour, which is bearish. So in 3 hours, 11 minutes, I want to see it above this breaker right here. That's very, very important because if we're below it, then we actually may have some continued downside, and that may be a major sign of the market where we are continuing lower. Yep. Let's see, what else? Anything else I want to talk about? I don't think so. The market's just taking a dump, guys. Like this is what happens. It is what it is. Some of the coins are holding up really well. but the alts as a whole are collapsing pretty harshly. Ooh, ANKR is holding up pretty nicely. And this was one I talked about in yesterday's video on how healthy it looks. Other one I was looking at was, what are the other ones? Mana. All right, I think I'm gonna end it, guys. If you guys have questions, like always, let me know. I'm gonna keep this video nice and sweet. Make sure to join the Discord, the Twitter, the YouTube. Make sure to join Facebook, all that good stuff, because I'm gonna be posting updates all day long, keeping you guys in the know. So have a good day, and I'll see you guys later.